I have entered LCCA and I've met all the amazing students here. They've all been incredible. It's been so nice to meet them all one-to-one. I've been running a pattern cutting workshop today, teaching them how to trace off existing garments, and then also you don't have to use the existing garment as its original use or garment like shirt or jacket. We can play around on the stand, you can do creative draping, use it to really open up the design possibilities and really create like innovative shapes really quickly as like a quick playing method. Started with a little intro about my experience and my background so they know what I've been through and how that could relate to them. And then I just went through my core questions that I would ask myself or I would ask a designer when collaborating to bring a concept to life. Core questions that I'd have to ask myself and ask the designer would be, what is it specifically about this garment that you like? I have had so many experiences where a designer has given me a garment, they love it, they want me to copy it. As a pattern cutter, I'm looking at the fit, I'm looking at the pattern, the construction, the shape, the silhouette. But really through conversation when discussing with the designer, it might become apparent that really they just like the colour or they like a pocket or the collar. It's not the overall fit and shape, so there's no point me copying a pattern of something when it's not ready for fit. Making students understand what it is about their reference garments that they've brought in that they really like, make sure that that's worthwhile copying to then develop into a design that's innovative and is their own creation. And then we went through measuring the garment that they have brought in really extensively, because this creates the almost sort of Bible and the anchor point of a reference point to go back to. When tracing off a garment, the fabric can move, you can maybe feel a bit tired and sometimes it can drift a little bit, but if you have the measurements there, you can always refer back and then just even it out. Creative pattern cutting really covers a diverse range of skills and practical tools that you can take into industry, really combines the technical elements of creating a shape but then showing you the creative possibilities of draping on the stand, how you can develop that into your own design. So creative pattern cutting really has something for everyone because it really covers the technical elements combining with conceptual, more creative design. I feel like industry experience just brings a different set of insight, different set of tips and tricks. I've lived and experienced it. I know exactly the mistakes that I've made and I know how to give advice to prepare students so when they come up against those points, how to deal with it, and just my personal tips and tricks.